Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Shah and you are watching Quick Market Analysis by FinLearn Academy. So, market in this particular week also ended on a positive note with a gain of almost 0.7 percentage. This is the 16th week with a gain of a 16 percentage over a period of time that market has reached that particular milestone of an all-time high level. But in this particular week, last trading sessions, we have seen some sorts of selling pressure. The previous week was ferociously on the moving on the high side, but in this particular week, we have seen some sorts of congestion. Let's say 2 to 3 days there was sidewaysness, and last trading sessions that we have seen some sorts of declining momentum. With this upside momentum, Nifty has reached to the 19,500 level. 19,500 level is one of the psychological level, as well as there are certain kind of extension levels are getting matched up over here, and highest call base also formed over there. And from that particular point, we have started to see some shots of a selling pressure. So today, the selling pressure that has happened, which has broken 2 to 3 days low. So it is not in that much selling pressure that we can see, but 19,300 is a very short-term support level that we are having. Above that level, this is a positive zone, but below the 19,300 level, if we are sliding, then it will create some sorts of a more selling pressure, or we can see some sorts of more round of profit booking. Below the 19,300 level, we see that this is what in one gap up area which is considered a support level, and thereby we have the next best support level area is around the 19,000 level. So this is what in the downward support levels that we are able to see. Short-term bearishness can be seen, but for that particular purpose we need to see the 19,300 level. But one thing on the other side of the equation that is also getting clearer, that is also giving us a clarity that the 19,500 level has become the hurdle level, because on the weekly chart you are seeing that there is a shooting star pattern. However, this shooting star pattern doesn't hold that much value because it is a bearish reversal candle, and it works well into the bearish trend, but in a positive trend being at all time high, it has very less significance. But we are seeing the over extension of the market by now. This is a weekly chart where the Nifty is entered into the oversold zone, and on the daily chart we are seeing that the market has already tested the 78. That is what kind of a high reading on the RSI that we can see. In earlier cases, it has went up to the 82 level kind of thing. So we are closing very much close to that. So 18,500 level above to that, we can expect the fresh resumption of the positive momentum, and there are to 19,700 level. These are the keys. But for the fresh upside momentum, we need to see the market moving above the 19,500. So this is what a 200-point range that we are seeing. Either side breakout will detect the further trend. Now looking at a stock specific, a sector specific. So in the sector specific, a market up by 0.7 percentage, we have seen some sorts of a laggard from the heavyweight sector like banking Nifty, that is a 0.32 percentage up. If I see the movers of this particular month week, so media sectors has did well. However, the structure is weak, but in this particular week we have seen the upside momentum. PSU Bank, the structure was quite good, and now they have started to resume its upside momentum. So there is what a very good move that we are seeing into this, and thereby the oil and gas sector. Or oil and gas sector, here I am seeing that there is some sorts of a catch-up rallies happening in this. I am a big fan of this particular pattern. Index is rising from the lower band of the consolidation patch, and then afterwards, whatever the higher high, high low sequence happened, prices have started to sustain above the moving average on the daily time frame. The breakout happened from the long-term moving average, the retest happened, and prices started to pick up its momentum again. So oil and gas has started to find a traction. We have seen a good momentum into the OMCs companies and a Reliance that has started to pick up its momentum. So those are the positive sectors that I see in the coming time as well. Whereas some sorts of a selling pressure has observed in a private banking stocks and IT space. That selling pressure is not that much intense, but still, private banking stocks and PSU banks and PS public sector bank, we are seeing some sorts of a divergence by now. So this is what a positive momentum in the earlier sectors that we have discussed we are seeing, and private banking stocks, IT stocks. This is little bit underperforming sector that is on the other side. So that is the one thing. Now looking at a stock of the week, I am, as market has little bit slided down, so I am looking at an India Cement on the little lower note based on its broader structure. So the structure wise, I find that the stock has come to the its previous peak. It has come, it has slided over there. This is a monthly chart for the India Cement. prices has taken the support in it's in a monthly support band, and we have started to find the traction on the high side. On the weekly chart, we are seeing that there is a strong declining momentum happen. Stock prices has formed the base. This is what the resistance level that we have seen earlier, resistance level that got breached, and after the breach, yes, prices has found the resistance around its previous peak, and then it has come down. Retest is happening, and we at FinLearn Academy, we are a great fan of the retest, and then the follow-up sign is happening. So right now the stock price is at 210, and also as I was mentioning in the energy sector as well, the long-term moving average breakout happened, and once the retest is happening and prices are moving above the short-term moving average, so that is a good development. So for that particular purpose, I'm seeing that 210 is the current level. My accumulation zone, I will little bit shift on the lower side, that is a 204 to 198 level. So that will be my accumulation zone for 4 to 5 percentage. My ideal stop loss from the positional perspective will be this low, that is in 185. So collectively I will be having the 15 point, or in percentage term 7 percentage kind of the risk. But on the high side, the next best potential resistance comes near about by 230 level. That is what my first resistance level, and then afterwards I will be having the resistance level near about by the 250 level. So this is something from the positional perspective that we can eye on. So this is what a stock of the week. Little bit on the lower side, we can have an eye on this. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.